Bro, who's driving my car right now? No way David's driving my car right now.
Hey, can I go straight or no? Or is it?
You're gonna hit the lip a little bit. Damn, that car looking clean, bro. Wait, watch out for her car. Are you good? Turn it. I don't think David's ever driven my car, guys.
Okay.
Oh my. Damn, that shit looks good. Oh my god, I never see my car drive, guys, and I never hear it from the outside. That shit sounds so beefy, bro. We all out here moving the cars around. You go strip it, bro. Damn, GTR is so sick. Look how clean it looks. But why am I out here like this?
Yeah, Jim, bro. What?
Look how I'm out here, guys.
Let me
With the beanie and a hoodie, and it's 90 degrees.
Yeah, Jim, bro.
Go drive it.
Alright, I'm down.
You want to drive it? I'll go with you. Have you never driven it?
Yeah, one time I think.
When? Why am I wearing a beanie right now?
I love, you know, like, remember I told you, like, I love how the
You
pedals
love me?
stay. I love how the pedals just stay.
Yeah.
This is quick, bro. It feels like my car.
You look like Vin Diesel a little bit.
It feels like my car.
You like your car?
Thank you.
You see that shit, David?
This guy's gonna get fucking caught a cop sign. He's gonna get the cops called on him.
She likes your car, bro.
This guy's going to jail for that one.
Alright, guys, I don't know why I'm wearing a hoodie.
Start the beanie. What is the miracle?
Yeah, what's up, guys? You watching another video. I was just messing around. I put a beanie on and a hoodie just to see what David and Hugo would say. But it's actually super hot.
Well, it's because
You take the shit off.
in a sweater.
What are we doing today? We're actually doing the stars tonight or your lip?
I think so.
Or both?
The lip. That is do one at a time. We haven't even seen the lip yet either.
And David got new mods. It's not even in park, bro.
Wait.
Wait. Say it again. What?
But look at the wheels. I don't think the wheels has been cleaned like in so long.
Alright,
cut it. Beep.
do it again.
Take two. Alright, but I don't think the wheels been so clean in like such a long time.
I know, they're actually black, bro. Look at that. They look glossy too. This car does look good when it's clean. Bro, you guys get to see me drive it all the time, but right now when David drove it, that's just actually sick.
I told you, it looks crazy.
It makes me not want to sell it at all.
It's popping my YouTube familia.
But he really wants to do YouTube. David always be like, what's up, YouTube? And the cameras aren't even on. So guys, look, David got a new mod for the F80.
Shout out to the brand that this didn't sponsor me, but okay, it's cool.
This fool gets mad when people don't sponsor him off.
They didn't sponsor him for the wheels, he was pissed.
David was mad at Apex because they didn't sponsor him. Now he's mad at everybody. David got a new mod for the car. He's finally gonna fix the front end.
This boy doesn't got no channel or nothing to support the sponsorships.
He just wants
He
sponsors.
wants everything free.
But he got this thing brand new because if you guys remember, he got in a little accident. You guys probably seen my old videos. He crashed his car into a curb, trying to drift. And he messed up his wheels and he also messed up the front bumper. So he has to get a new carbon fiber piece right here, like that, which he has. And then he got a whole new front lip, which his car has never had a lip on. So it's gonna look sick with the front lip.
You guys, I got the unboxing knife.
Bro, I actually unboxed my lip with that knife and I broke it.
Oh, yeah, your mom was
That's just funny. Yeah, it was literally my lip too. Damn, that shit is sick. That shit's a nice lip. That's
Break it in
badass.
a day, bro.
Bro, I don't even want to put it on. Look how nice it is.
You think so? That's why I was standing really Hugo.
You know,
Yeah.
when David drives over the bumps and he doesn't.
Yeah, I think
he's gonna break
it's gonna last like one day, bro. Damn, that shit is sick, dude. It's gonna look crazy. Bro, it's gonna look so sick. Let me see. Sheesh. That's all this car needs. And F80 just puts a lip on it. Lower it, it's gonna look crazy. Alright guys, we're gonna try to put this lip on. I don't know what Hugo's doing.
That's how we're gonna work on the car today, bro.
But we gotta take some of this old glue off. There's no way, Hugo. We gotta take some of this old glue off. Lip should be pretty easy. I think it's just 3M tape and then like 4 bolts. It should be easy. Alright guys, so we tried throwing on the lip, but it doesn't fit properly with these on. We might have to take these off. You can see the fitment. It doesn't fit with this on. Too bulky, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't.
They must use like crazy 3M tape. It's not even 3M tape, bro. That shit's like glue.
This is literally glue, bro.
And it's not coming off, bro. And this all has to come off to make it look clean. What did they use? That's why David just wanted to throw this back on, so you just hide all of that shit. We should just throw it on like that. You don't see anything.
Insane.
What we're gonna do is I watched a YouTube video and someone else had the same lip with the same little fins right here. But what they had to do was they had to trim some of the carbon fiber off. So we're gonna cut David's carbon fiber right now with this Dremel. Hopefully it works. I don't know. We're gonna be so itchy, guys. It's not even freaking funny. But we cut the carbon fiber. Hopefully it works now.
The 3M tape is gonna get stuck.
All right, guys, look at this. It's not on yet, but after some modifications and a bunch of cutting, we got it to fit, bro. It actually looks good. Remember, you guys saw it wasn't fitting at all properly, but we had to trim a lot of the carbon fiber underneath. Yeah, we literally cut this whole bottom piece off of underneath. So now this is off. The fitment is a little better. The lip actually fits. And we can rock both of them, this and that. Damn. We only got like 2 bolts on right now, but we're about to put 2 more, 1 on the end, and then we should be done. And that's it.
If you guys need this done, hit up DNH.
Hit up my page, hit up
David.
DNH.
Hit up your mechanics.
I don't think no one's gonna trust us putting stuff on their car.
Wow.
I don't even trust myself, bro.
Sick that looks.
We're gonna go 40 miles per hour and that's gonna fly out.
We're gonna go test it after this. We're gonna go
Nah, it
test
looks
it.
sick, bro. I can't wait to see this car driving with the front lip. How long until David breaks the lip, though? That's what I want to know. A month?
David's breaking this in a month.
I give it a week, bro. I'm not gonna lie. 1 week.
Max a month. Bro.
3 days. It actually came out really, really good, bro. It hides all the imperfections that the bumper had from his little accident, and it actually looks good. Bro, it looks really good, bro. Oh! 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 You barely touched it. Damn, it looks good.
I think he's gonna break it in like 2 days.
I think he's gonna break it, bro. You almost touched it already.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We gotta have a little training lesson with David.
Yeah, we're gonna teach
How to drive. Damn. Now all he needs are the side skirts and a car wash because those wheels are brown, bro.
and lower.
And lower it. This car is way too lifted.
He's gonna break it, bro.
Bro, this is how angled he has to go, and I know David's not gonna do that. He's gonna break it, bro.
We should test him.
You like it, boss? Came out good or no?
You're not gonna get it out. I'll promise you, you're not gonna get it out.
You're gonna scrape it. Now,
We did it.
I changed it from a week to 2 days.
Yeah, we did the test and we're like, yeah, a day or 2.
On this side.
This was picky, huh?
That's grateful, bro.
You can say thank you first and then tell us where we messed up.
Thank
Boss.
you, boss. Thank you, boss.
Bro, that's literally how angled he has to go. F80s are just so nice, bro. Like, it looks crazy. The GTR does look good, though, today. I'm not gonna lie. The wheels look clean. You guys saw the other video. We washed it all. And super, super clean. All right, guys. I don't know what video this is going in. I don't know if this is going in the same video as the front lip. But David has another mod on the F80 today, bro. And I'm super excited to do this. We've actually had these specific things. You guys probably already see by the title and thumbnail, but we're doing Starlight headliner in his F80 M3. You guys see it in my GTR all the time and on my vlogs. But we're about to do it in David's car for the first time by ourselves. Wish us luck. Hopefully it comes out good. It's really not that hard, bro. Pretty sure we can figure it out today. I think the hardest thing is just pulling out the headliner, which I think David and Hugo are already trying to do. Bring it out here, poke all the holes, put the Starlight kit in, and then David's gonna have Starlight headliner in the F80. I think it's gonna be really sick. A really sick mod. I feel like it was starting to get like played out, like everyone started doing it. But it is a sick like vibe, bro. When you're driving at night.
It's played out when it's like, no offense, but not
What? In certain cars it's played out? Yeah. I like it personally in my GTR. You can always turn it off and you won't even see it. But at night, bro, when you put the lights on and you're cruising at night with some cool music, I think it's a vibe, bro. I like it.
When you with what?
When I'm driving with Jesus. What, bro? What? Who else would I be driving with? You can see the lights. Sheesh. And something sick about it is you can literally change the color to any color you want, bro. We can change any color. White, blue, pink, yellow, teal. So sick, bro. And you can literally change any color you want, bro. Any freaking color. What color should we do? We'll do like red, bro. Look at that. Damn, it's more like pink, huh? Red. Yeah, it looks sick, bro. You can do any color you want. I think it's a vibe. I think it's sick driving at night with the Starlights. It's like a Rolls Royce. That's where that's where the idea came from. Like all the Rolls Royce that have the headliner. A lot of people say that they don't like it all the time. You can like push a button and it's off. And you'll never be able to tell that it's even on here. At all. You would never tell, bro. It looks OEM, it looks stock. We're about to do David's car. And I think it's gonna be badass in here, bro. In the 4-door, it's gonna be sick. First things first, we're gonna try to take it all apart. Hugo's already getting into it. Yeah, once you get the headliner out, it's gonna be super, super easy. This is just the hardest part right here. Guys, look at this.
I get my camera!
The headliner's about to come out.
Oh.
I think we got everything. I don't know. Is there any more switches?
It looks like we know what we're doing.
Oh. All right, guys, we got the headliner out. Finally, bro. It wasn't that hard. I think now that we know how to do it, piece of cake now, bro. This is a bunch of clips. What? You don't think so? Draw some dots. He has a 450 star package, so we had to draw 450 dots on the headliner. Once we draw the 450 dots, then we can go in here with the Dremel, and we're gonna poke 450 holes into it, and then put each one of those strands 450 times through the freaking headliner, one by one. It's gonna take forever, but it's gonna be sick. Guys, look at this. Put the lights on. Look at Hugo has the tips on. That's crazy, bro. This is gonna look sick. David's about to have a Rolls Royce, bro. All right, guys, look. So we got all the holes drilled. Now we're about to separate all the strands of lights, which we did that. And now we're about to start putting them through all the holes that David made, one by one, bro. Guys, look at this. All the strands of lights are in. Look how it looks underneath, bro. This looks crazy, but now we have to super glue each single strand in the hole so that they don't slip out. So after that, then we're gonna put it in the car and cut all the lights, and it's gonna look sick. We're almost done, bro. We're about to be there, about to be done. Yeah, guys, it might have been like 2 hours doing this, so it takes a long time, but it's gonna be worth it.
Now we already glued all the damn Starlights everywhere. They're all glued, so they're all secure. Now we just gotta trim this down. So
Like a haircut, bro. Alright, guys, we got it in the car. It took forever, but look. This corner's already almost done. Putting it all together. It looks sick, huh? It's a long process, guys.
It looks nice, like touch it.
Yeah, it's this one. Oh yeah, it's perfect. You can pick any color, bro. Pink, we can do blue, we can do them red. It came out so good, bro. Like way better than we expected. It came out sick. Honestly, it wasn't that hard, bro. Like it just took a lot of time, but I feel like now that we know how to do it, we definitely can do a lot more cars. It'll be sick. I know we were messing around about doing other people's cars, but guys, we're for real. I think we can do other people's cars. So if you guys want to do any of your guys' cars, let's do it. We're gonna do Hugo's car next. We might do my Z after that, and then maybe bring in some customers, guys. So if anyone's down, let's get it. Let's do the Starlights. I think it's such a vibe, bro. White looks like the Rolls Royce.
Show me yellow. Show me yellow.
Yellow. We could do yellow to match the exterior of his car. The Austin yellow. It looks sick, bro. I'm so hyped how it came out. Everything's spaced out perfectly. We got stars. You can turn them on and off. And look at that, bro. So David got a lip today. And he got Starlights in the headliner, bro. All in one day. That's some good mods right now. What'd you say, David, about the stars? This is your favorite mod?
For sure. Watch when we play music right now.
He's supposed to play music.
We about to be live now.
Drive like this, David. She looks like a rave, bro. David about to have a party up in here.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.